Am I the only one that didn't know bats could be this cool? Let's dive into the world of leaf-nosed bats. These little wonders of the night have noses that look like they've been plucked straight from a leaf. But it's not just for show. Their unique nasal structure helps them navigate the dark skies with incredible echolocation. Talk about a superpower. Now their diet? It's a gourmet selection of insects, fruits, and even nectar. And those wings? They can fly with the grace of a ballroom dancer, making sharp turns and swoops effortlessly. Living in diverse habitats from lush rainforests to dry caves, leaf-nosed bats are true adventurers. They're also crucial for the ecosystem, pollinating plants and controlling insect populations. So next time you think about bats, remember the amazing leaf-nosed bat and its incredible features. Stay wild, stay curious, friends.